Located on 70 wooded acres in Milford, Ohio, the Water Quality Education Center is situated at the confluence of two very different creeks. Bucklet Creek is a woodland stream running through a protected natural area. Horner Run Creek runs along the town of Milford through a more urban environment. As part of Greenacres' mission to leave no trace, the Greenacres Water Quality Project program monitors local streams and watersheds to identify water quality issues so that local communities may develop protection and improvement plans. Through this monitoring program, the Greenacres Water Quality Project team noticed in 2017 that there was a rapid erosion of the Bucklet Creek channel in our own backyard. After large amounts of rainfall, the Bucklet Creek channel would change drastically, leading to erosion that could one day affect the foundation of the Greenacres Water Quality Education Center. Taking a proactive approach to the challenge, the Greenacres team interviewed and met with a variety of groups specializing in creek restoration. These specialty groups highlighted that the very nature of rivers consists of a dynamic balancing of discharge water and sediment, which is influenced by the channel shape and boundary materials. In other words, streams change shape to accommodate changes in water flow created by natural processes and human disturbance. Once disturbed, the stages through which streams progress are well understood and directly observable. They generally follow the order of 1. Disturbance, 2. Incision or degradation, 3. Widening, 4. Deposition, 5. Recovery. After observation and study, it was determined that the Bucklet Creek was somewhere between Stage 3, channel widening, and Stage 4, deposition. The channel widening stage is typically identified by steep walls along stream banks and erosion that can lead to bank collapse. Streams in the deposition stage are typically identified by sufficiently wide channels to accommodate heavy flows. In this stage, sediment eroded from upstream reaches has begun to be deposited, but bank areas still fluctuate. After discussion with the specialty groups, it was decided that the ideal outcome would be to aid the Bucklet Creek in getting to the recovery stage of the channel evolution process. In this stage, the banks of a channel have stabilized and abundant plant life holds deposited sediment in place, even during flood events. In January 2017, Greenacres partnered with Applied Ecological Service Incorporated to implement a variety of restoration methods to alter the process and structure of the Bucklet Creek to promote dynamic equilibrium and channel stability, erosion control, flood mitigation, improved water and habitat quality. In order to make this restoration project as successful as possible, Applied Ecological Service Incorporated completed a remote and field assessment, watershed assessment, and thoroughly researched the historic context of the area in order to develop a multidisciplinary approach. After all the research and studying, it was decided that the best approach would be to reshape the stream channel and combine in-stream structures with stream bank stabilization methods to restore balance to the creek system, in-stream structures, and stream bank stabilization. Greenacres carefully considered the many potential solutions to return the stream to this balanced state. Ultimately, it was decided a J-hook and tow wood structure combo would deliver the best outcome based on the individual characteristics of this particular creek. Rather than ship in materials for the tow wood structure, the restoration firm used invasive honeysuckle and trees sourced from the local riparian zone. Tow wood structures have a long life expectancy and provide a needed habitat for local species. Due to the use of the water quality property as a teaching location, the use of locally sourced natural materials as well as an ecologically sensitive approach added tremendous value to this project. After a short 2-week installation period, Bucklet Creek was properly reinforced to avoid any additional damage and erosion to nearby properties and return the stream to a recovery stage. Throughout the recovery stage, the stream improvements implemented will yield a gentler slope to creek banks, allowing for rain events to pass without degradation. We expect a return of native plant and animal species along the creek, as well as better water quality conditions for in-stream inhabitants. Our human habitat will also no longer be threatened by future erosion. All of these beneficial outcomes will in turn create a rich creek environment for use by Greenacres educators. Whether students sampling for aquatic life and monitoring stream health, or summer campers enjoying the natural beauty and excitement of exploring stream habitats, Bucklet Creek will continue to provide visitors fun learning opportunities for many years to come. To learn more about the Greenacres and to sign your class up for a free water quality field trip, log on to www.greenacres.org.